This is a sharper image, full, I guess 5-inch desk fan, mini desk fan. Hold on, it's pretty small. Let me grab another fan to illustrate. Okay, it's a pretty small fan. Here's the mini watch fan for scale. But I'm not going to show it today. This is a sharper image. I'm not sure what kind of brand sharper image is, but I know, you can see my hand is grabbing it. Yeah, this thing like sees everything using this like reflective thing. There's a side. This is copies of vornado zippi, of course, with the cloth blades. And the back, there's actually 3 versions of this. This one, there's a tilting high velocity fan and a barrel fan. Also, man, they make the spin 12. So, start up on low speed. There's high speed and it does cool sound. It's pretty quiet as well. Love you too. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.